3 machines in one. It just helps with every process because you do it all in one machine. It's just very easy to use and it's very quick.
We can do work we've never been able to do before, where now we can deal with it all in-house and meet the customer's needs.
The greatest value that TECOI has brought to our company is the significant improvement in our manufacturing capabilities.
So we were looking for a solution to be able to drill and process long material, which is what the THOR enables us to do.
The great thing about the THOR, you can drill your parts individually, cut them out, it speeds up the whole process.
TECOI's machinery has delivered exceptional reliability and performance, minimised downtime to ensure uninterrupted production. From initial installation to ongoing maintenance and technical support, TECOI has been a reliable partner every step of the way.